All right, Aoden, move. What do you mean no? I have to record a drink here. Come on. Ugh. Don't be like that. Ah, damn dog. All right, we're making a Royal Bermuda Yacht Club with some Eldorado rum, our homemade Falernum, and Orange Curacao. Let's do it. Here, record. Carefully walk over the dog. All right, so we're using Eldorado 12. It's a lovely Demerara rum. It's going to give us a nice richness and depth to this one. This is basically a daiquiri variation. Dates back to the 1844 in Bermuda. It was made famous in Trader Vic's book, and it's just a really good daiquiri variation. So 2 ounces of our Demerara rum, and then we're going to do ½ ounce of our Falernum Liqueur. I'm using my homemade Falernum that I made just recently. Click the card there, you can go check out that video. But you can use Velvet Falernum, or you can even use Falernum syrup if that's what you have. Although with the syrup, you'll have to adjust it because it will be sweeter. After that, we're going to do a ¼ ounce of Orange Curacao. I'm using the Piaffarin. If you don't have the dry Curacao, you could totally use Triple Sec, Cointreau, even Grand Marnier would work probably fine in this. Alright, our liqueurs and rum are in. Now we need some lime juice. So we're going to do 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Alright, so we got rum, we've got lime juice, and we've got various liqueurs giving us our sweetness. We have all the components of a daiquiri. However, if you think this is a little too stiff, you could totally add a ¼ ounce of Demerara syrup to sweeten it up even more. I don't think it's needed. Alright, give it a good hard shake for about 20 seconds. Slap it to unseal. Alright, we're going to be serving this in a chilled Nicanor. You can serve in a coupe as well, or any kind of stemmed glass. Double strain in case we got any ice chips in there. We want this nice and smooth. Look at that color. Beautiful orange color. To garnish, we could do a lime wheel. Pretty traditional with a daiquiri. However, I figured to go a little fancy and a little lime peel that we're going to slip on the rim right there. Royal Bermuda Yacht Club. This is a really good daiquiri. The rum, especially that Eldorado Demerara rum, has a depth, a richness, sweet molasses, very good. The Falernum adds some spiciness. You can really taste the cloves. They really stand out. The Orange Curacao is, it's kind of there. But anyways, I really recommend this. Try this out. We'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.